I found community health education program at Green Bay. And I was like, oh, this is kind of like all the things I like about healthcare, but without like the invasiveness of it, I guess. I realized I could do all of it online, so it saves me a lot of money that way. My favorite class would be my adult aging psychology class, and how their viewpoints shift and what we can do to support them without, making them feel less than. And it's great for learning communication and just like group dynamics. The community health education classes really come together when you're at your practicum site. It's a whole semester and it's a great hands-on experience. At my practicum site, the Fond du Lac County Health Department, being in a public-facing role, being out in the community and then educating about like Narcan trainings, and then working with board members and coalitions to have like a great resume because of your practicum. Like, it is a great experience. I feel confident in what I know. I'm excited to see where it takes me.